Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of autoclose on the application of Discord. You will go to settings. In this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list here you will search about the application of Discord and you will click. After that, in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. Here you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your